In this episode, we'll be discussing stroke and its leading cause. This is a condition that occurs when there is an obstruction in the flow of blood to the brain. Do you know that 50% of the time, people develop stroke because of non-compliance to their medication? This is often so because the major conditions that lead to stroke, such as hypertension, high cholesterol, or blood clotting problem, usually do not present with an obvious symptoms. As a pharmacist, in my interaction with patients over the years, with due respect to our cultural and religious belief, many are still in denial about their health condition. This in particular is for people living with hypertension, as they will tell you, but I'm feeling okay, why should I continue with my medication? Because these conditions usually do not present an obvious symptoms. However, they are silent killers. So, you can be certain to rule out cases of stroke if you stay compliant to your medication 50% of the time. What are some of the reasons for non-compliance, and how do we overcome these challenges? 1. Complex or multiple drug dosing. For instance, there are patients who on a daily basis take about 5 to 7 different medications daily. You agree with me, this is a very difficult routine. However, do you know that some of these medications, instead of taking multiple drugs, 5 to 7 different drugs daily, some of them come as a combined dosage form? If you want to know further about this, reach out to us at MedAccess Group and we will tell you how to reduce your medication from 5 to 7 different drugs daily to about 3 to 4 different drugs. 2. The other reason that may be responsible for non-compliance is the cost of medication. For instance, you would agree with me, somebody who is on 5 to 7 different medications in this economy, how do you expect them to be able to afford or sustain the cost of this medication over time? However, do not panic. At MedAccess Group, we can provide you with alternatives or place you on discount program that will help reduce the amount you spend on your medication, even by 1/3. 3. The other reason that may be responsible for non-compliance is forgetfulness due to old age. Do you have parents who need support and follow up on their medication? Reach out to us at MedAccess Group as we will provide them with all the necessary support they need to stay compliant with their medication. These plus a lot of other reasons have been identified to be responsible for non-compliance, which in turn is responsible 50% of the time for cases of stroke. Reach out to us at MedAccess Group for all the support you need, from procurement to advisory.